Hello and welcome to the Inside. I just wanted to take a quick moment to thank you for downloading the VA calculator. I know that this is going to be super helpful for you for your business to be able to figure out whether or not you really can afford to bring somebody else on in your business. So I want to take just a quick minute to kind of walk through this calculator to show you how it works. And if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me. My email is michelle@awesomeoutsourcing.com. There is two L's in Michelle. And what you want to do is these green, dark green boxes. These are the ones that you want to edit, and we're gonna walk through these. So let's say you're bringing in $15,000 a month, and you are um, the non-typical entrepreneur and you're only working 40 hours a week, right? If you're working, 60 hours a week, then obviously this would become 240 hours. And, let's say you're making 12,000 a month. So we want to fill in these two boxes. So what's the income coming in? How many hours are you working? And then this is going to give you what an hour of your time is worth. So if you're bringing in $12,000 a month and you're working 60 hours a week, an hour of your time is worth $50. Uh, then what we want to do is come over here to our monthly expenses and put in whatever our monthly expenses are. Let's say it's $9,000. That leaves us with $3,000 to play with that we can use for whatever we want. I am using all of that to calculate for a VA. So if you, for whatever reason, didn't, let's say you wanted to set $2,000 aside and you only want, $1,000 going towards a VA, just bump up your expenses to 11,000, right? Whoops. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? So now we only have 1,000, right? So I'm going to take this whole number of what's left over to calculate a VA. What these boxes over here are for are to give you an idea of if you could just get back, 10 hours a week, um, and then from that 10 hours, you're able to make $500 more in revenue. These are both your best guess, okay? And if you need a tool that figures out, what tasks you can offload and how much time that's going to give you back, let me know. I've got another calculator for that. It's called the Task Discovery Resource, so hit me up. I'm happy to give you that. And also in your email, there's going to be a bunch of really cool tools that are coming that's going to really, really help you out. But as we scroll down here, you're going to see, based off of the job description, what it costs per hour for a VA for these. And I broke them out into categories because based off of what you want them to do, it's going to be a little bit different. If we're just talking about basic, admin tasks, so let's say customer support, okay? So that's $369 an hour. And then what we want to do is take our monthly salary. Whoops, I forgot to put an H there. So let's fix that. And so you'll want to scroll over here and our monthly is 590. So we would go over here and we would say 590. And that would tell us that we can't really afford two VAs, right? We can afford 1.5. So we could get, one full-time one and one part-time one if we wanted. And then if we took that $500 that we got here, um, how many more VAs could we get with that extra $500 if you wanted to use that? That's just this is basically just to kind of jog your memory and see, okay, if I'm able to just pull in another 500 bucks a month, does that give me another VA at 40 hours a week? How much can I dump off my plate and give to them? So this is kind of, there's no science to this. This is just your best estimated guess of, you as a business owner, this is different for each person. How much can you bring in? And that is about it. So these are based off of 2019 numbers. We haven't gotten the updated 2020 numbers yet, but they're going to be pretty close. You'll see a little bit of an increase, but not very much. So if you need somebody who, let's say you're a real estate agent, and you want somebody to basically do lead gen and all your follow up, you're looking at about $5 an hour. If you want somebody who's going to write blog articles for you, you're looking at about $4 an hour. Somebody who's just going to do research and prep you for your meetings, that's about $3 an hour. Um, any type of good copywriting, you're looking at $5 to $6 an hour. If you want to do your graphic design, again, you're looking at $4 an hour. So this is just to kind of give you an idea of what it will cost. So that way you'll have a clue, whether or not you're able to, how many VAs you're able to sustain with your business. So I hope this was helpful. Again, if you guys have any questions, hit me up. I'm on Facebook. You can go to Facebook/Awesome Outsourcing to find our company page. We have a YouTube channel, all kinds of fun stuff. So just hit me up and let me know how I can help you. Let me know if this was useful, if there's something that, maybe I could add to make it more beneficial to you. And we will go from there. Thanks. And I sincerely appreciate you. Look forward to getting to know you better.